Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another update. We're going to be doing another update in regard to this winter system that's expected to impact tomorrow night. Alright, so guys, we're taking a look here at the radar view in regard to what is currently going on here across the nation. So across the upper northwest, we actually are dealing with a lot of snow shower activity, especially across those upper elevations. So we are continuing to monitor this cold front that is advancing its way off the coast of the United States right now, drawing in a lot of moisture into the southeast, but allowing for the fueling of this upcoming system here for tomorrow. Now, we do continue to see a lot of snow falling across bits of the Virginia Beach area in southeastern Virginia and through bits of Delaware. So we're taking a look here at the future radar in regard to your NAM 3-kilometer model. So as of now, we are seeing a lot of rain falling across bits of the southeast here. As we do track into tomorrow morning, we might see some instances of maybe some freezing rain showers across the region. However, the main bulk of the system isn't supposed to happen until later on tomorrow evening. As we can see around here, around 8 o'clock p.m., we will start to see a lot of freezing rain start to fall across the coastal Carolinas, as well as maybe some snow, maybe impacting the mid-Atlantic view with potentially a little bit more than we actually thought compared to what we did see on the previous models. This will continue to track its way in through the 22nd in the early morning hours. Alright, guys, so we're taking a look here at the models in regard to your GFS model. Now, guys, before we go ahead and take a look at this, I'm going to ask if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I'd be greatly appreciated. We are trying to reach 300 subscribers by the end of January. I believe we can do it, guys, so if you're not already, hit that subscribe button. That'd be greatly appreciated. So in regard to snowfall accumulation out of your latest GFS model, this model is actually a little bit more aggressive in terms of things. It's actually showing more 3 to 5 across a lot of these regions here across bits of North Carolina, as well as southeastern Virginia, kind of near the Virginia Beach area according to this model, maybe getting up near 5 inches. Then when it comes to your European model, we still have a little bit of disagreement, but it's definitely better compared to what we did see earlier this morning. This is still showing 3 to 5 across a lot of these areas, however, much over a smaller distance here. The GFS model did show a lot more snow falling into the interior portion here of North Carolina. This one is a little bit more conservative. And now we talk ice. So we're taking a look here back at the GFS model in regard to your latest run here. So we'll go ahead and just zoom all the way down the line. So this one's actually showing, kind of the same story here, just mostly along the coastal Carolina areas here, potentially getting up to maybe near 3/10 of an inch here at max. And obviously we still have a lot of disagreements here in terms of your European model, just kind of getting maybe near up 4/10 of an inch, a little bit less extreme in compared to earlier's run, but however, this has a lot more of a coverage area, basically across more interior portions of the states. Alright, so now, guys, we're taking a look here at the National Weather Service blend of models. Like I said before, it just takes a whole bunch of model outputs, kind of blends them together. So in terms of your ice accumulation, this is kind of what we are expecting overall. So across the coastal Carolinas, maybe up to 2/10 of an inch is kind of expected for a lot of these areas here. Maybe at max, maybe getting up near 3/10 of an inch, kind of similar to what your GFS model had to say here. But, obviously this is kind of what we can expect based off of all the blend of the models. And so when it comes to snowfall with this model, honestly, it's kind of the same story here. Maybe 3 to 5 inches across the eastern portions of North Carolina, as well as kind of near the Virginia Beach area. Maybe up to 3 to 5 inches is kind of expected across these regions here. Across the light blue, maybe 1 to 3 inches is expected. Kind of across these gray shade areas, maybe a trace to an inch. Alright, so guys, now we're moving on to our temperature forecast here for tonight. It is expected to be bone-chilling cold across bits of the northern portions here of the plains and through bits of the Midwest here. So obviously we are talking negatives again, potentially in the double-digit negatives across a lot of these regions here. Now the freezing point is kind of located around this blue line. I mean, this is covering a lot of the state, guys, so a lot of the country is expected to see a lot of freezing temperatures tonight. Alrighty, guys, so now we're taking a look here at the National Weather Service hazards in regard to what kind of warnings we do have out in place right now. So kind of across this purple shaded area, we actually do have some winter weather advisories, just showing some impacts of winter weather as possible. Kind of across this, blue shaded color here, basically across southeastern Virginia, we do have a winter storm watch, basically showing that more winter storm warnings might be needed because we do have a lot of winter storm warnings across the eastern portion here of North Carolina, as well as southeastern Virginia. This does include Virginia Beach. And then, guys, we do have an ice storm warning across the southern portion here of North Carolina, as well as eastern parts of South Carolina, basically showing that heavy icing is expected. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the 11 o'clock p.m. update. I hope you all had a wonderful day today, and I hope you guys stay safe with this system. But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.